I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I am here to talk stocks, and also, if you're not following me on my Twitch channel or not connected to me on Xbox or whatever, I'll put my information there. If you have a question or something like that, just pop your question in the chat, and I'll try to answer your questions when I can. Let me figure out how to get away from these zombies though, because I'm apparently in a tough situation. Oh crap! Are you serious? Man, that's a bunch of crap. What's up, Silver, Salemo, and Lashad Joyner and VJ? What's going on? Is Dodge okay? You said no mic sound. Let me know if you can hear me. Let me know if you can hear me. Give me a yes or no if you can hear me. I want to make sure everybody can hear me okay. And also, give me a yes or no if you bought Dogecoin. Let me know if you bought Dogecoin. I did an experiment today. I did a survey. Well, actually, let me know if you can hear me while I'm playing because I've been turning the audio down and I tried to do that deliberately so you guys could hear me. So it wouldn't just be like me only talking when I pause the game. So when I start playing, I'm going to start talking. I want you to let me know if you can hear me okay. So you can put questions in here if you want to. Good afternoon, old man. Love you. Love you too, Brian. Gladys Zimmerman, hello. How are you? Michael Nicholson and Lashad Joyner. Okay, thank you, Brian. I appreciate that. What's up, homie? Christopher Peters, what's going on? Hey, my Twitch, not my Twitch, I'm sorry, my Xbox tag name is Bo Watkin, and I put it up there on the screen. So if you have an Xbox or if you get one, send me a friend request because I've actually been hanging out with the brothers and they showed me how to play Call of Duty, and I figured it would be fun to have a Twitch channel and to talk about stocks while we play video games because I figured watching me blow the heads off zombies would be more interesting than just looking at me like because I don't have an interesting face or anything. But yeah, so here's what happened. So I went ahead and bought Dogecoin today as and I asked you guys, I put it on my Twitter, and I said, if I buy Dogecoin and talk about the results every day, would that be something of interest to you? Like, would as an experiment, would you be interested in watching me buy, a few thousand Dogecoins and then telling you what happened? And 76% of you said yes. So when you said yes, I was like, okay, cool. So what happened was I bought 5,000 Dogecoins today, right? I bought them at 38, and I think it's up to 40.
Your team's
So far
approaching
we're
the
making
rendezvous
money.
coordinates. What are
So
your
far I
orders,
made
Weaver?
a few $100.
Find Agent Maxis. Recover any intel you can. Wrapping up.
So as I'm
My
playing,
team has reached the village.
I'm going to ask you every now and then
I have a shelter nearby.
because I don't know if
I
it's
will
too
help
loud
you
or
get
not.
to
If
the
it's too
Omega
loud, I
base
can turn it down.
and to the
If the game is too loud, just tell me to turn it down. I'll turn it down. And if you have a question you want to ask me, put your question in the chat. I'll stop and I'll answer questions in a second. But yeah, so the thing about Dogecoin is it's a terrible investment in the sense of it doesn't have any real economic value. But right now the market's doing really well, and the biggest risk in the stock market right now actually is overheating. Two areas of your economy are overheating. One is the stock market,
Wrapping up. You said Maxis
and
was
the
taken
other
to the
is
Omega facility.
real estate. And actually, it's too loud. Okay, all right. So somebody says too loud. All right, so let me see if I can turn this down. Game is louder than you. Okay, all right. So I'm gonna turn it down. Let me see if I can figure this. Hold on. Let me try something here. Twitch. All right. The game. Tell me if it's better this way. Hold on. I'm gonna start playing. Okay, so I'm talking now. Is it better? Is the game completely muted? If it's muted, maybe that's better. Let me know if that helps because I don't want the game to distract from the conversation. It's an ongoing experiment, and I could use your help in figuring out what the best layout is. Hold on, let me not get killed. Okay, so what do you think? Is it better? So it's better just to have the game muted, you think? What do you think? Tell me if you think muted is better or you think it's better for me to have it with a little bit of audio. All right. Wait, I gotta stab this. Where'd you go? There he is. All right, there you are. I found you. Yeah, so the stock market is it's just really, overheated from a lot of the Fed's monetary policy mainly. And what is really happening is that a lot of banks are doing really well because they prepared for all this economic disaster that never happened. So as a result, JP Morgan Chase and Morgan Stanley and all the big banks, their profits went up like 300 or 400%. And a lot of that's because they planned for the end of the world and it never happened. And so crap. Hold on. All right. So now I'm gonna see. Is that better? It's muted. So you like it muted? You want a little audio? All right. So let me see. No, tune your master volume to like 30 or 40 because you have audio feedback coming in while everything is quiet. Okay. For zombies, you need audio so you can hear the zombies coming at you. That's so true. I can hear audio. You have to hear a lot of noise. But let me try this. Let me try to turn my Twitch on. Yeah. So in terms of stocks that I'm really looking at this week, there's a company I can't remember the name of it. It was an electric vehicle company that makes charger stations. I'll go find out the name again. I can't remember the name of the company, but I was doing some research on it, and I can't remember because there were about 3 or 4 of them I looked at, and there was one I really liked. And once I find out the name, I'll tell you. I also read about the WeWork IPO, and basically WeWork's IPO. A lot of analysts think that WeWork is still full of shit. Um, that basically they're overvaluing the company to take advantage of the fact that people are willing to pay for anything, and that their estimates are overly optimistic. And let me see. I'm gonna look to see. Okay, ChargePoint. Yeah, I like ChargePoint actually. Yes, I do like ChargePoint a lot. So there we go. So if you want to know a stock I'm interested in is ChargePoint. But yeah, so the WeWork is gonna try again to do an IPO, but it's not gonna be a traditional IPO. They're gonna go public through a SPAC, and a SPAC is a special purpose acquisition company. And I think the interpretation people have of WeWork is that they're going public through a SPAC so that they don't have to endure the scrutiny of the Securities and Exchange Commission. Because a lot of experts believe that their estimates, their projections are overly optimistic, and I agree.
Nothing fancy.
Like for example, in some of their reports, they're predicting like occupancy rates that are above 100%, or occupancy rates that are going to more than double from what they are right now. And so the company is a good company; they make a lot of money, but there's a lot of people that believe that um, just the way they go about informing investors of what's going on with the company isn't quite accurate. So when they go public, I probably won't participate in the IPO, but I would consider buying into maybe looking at some of these other companies that have gone through direct listings like Coinbase. I'm trying to round these zombies up. I'm gonna turn around and kill them all.
Yeah, I'll take on all comers.
Okay. How do I make a one-time payment on intelligentblackpeople.com? Um, you know, uh, I don't know if you can actually do a one-time payment on the Patreon. I appreciate that offer though. Here's the URL if you want to support the channel. It's intelligentblackpeople.com. I'll put it on the screen. But if you can't make a one-time payment, feel free to just go to the Black Business School and sign up for a class or something. That's another option as well. If you want to support the platform, we definitely appreciate your support, and we're going to put it to good use. But don't feel like like that's a requirement for us to talk. I mean, but it does help us a lot, and we would love to have you participate in something that we got going on. I thought with the 10-year yield note down that we would be in the green. Yeah, Pogus, that's a good question. With the 10-year yield being a predictor of inflation, that has really hit a lot of your growth stocks pretty bad. And some of them are in the green. There's so many sectors that are doing extremely well, but there's a lot of sectors that haven't recovered and maybe never will because some of the companies are just overvalued to begin with. So you got to be real careful about that. And that's another reason why you want to diversify. You don't want to put all your money in one place because that's not safe. So if you invest in something, if you want to have fun and put your money in Dogecoin or whatever, just know you're doing it like for fun. I wouldn't be looking at it as, okay, this is what's going to get me out of the hood, or this is what's going to change my life, or this is like Dogecoin probably won't help you quit your job. So I would just be real careful about locking up a big ton of your wealth in something that could disappear overnight. Fighting zombies reminds me of dealing with the black community. We got a whole lot of zombies in our community. The Negro naysayers, you just round them up and kill them all with bullets of knowledge, bullets of black love. All of y'all, line up. Negro naysayers, there you go. Knowledge for your ass.
Bring it on.
Let's take them down one by one.
That's right. Keep them coming.
Okay, I'm pausing now. All right. Yes, diversify for sure. Has anybody read about MLK? You mean Martin Luther King? Um, Call of Duty is your new hobby. Yeah, man. I started playing Call of Duty and I play with brothers that are like about my age. And it's been really fun. I've met a lot of interesting people and just had a really good time. So yeah, so this is gonna be my thing for a while. I'm gonna keep doing this for a little bit. Um, let me let me open up my Twitch. My Twitch is if you go to Twitch and look up Dr. Boyce Watkins, that's my stocks and gaming channel. So every single day, while I'm hanging out and playing my video games, I talk about stocks on the channel. So if that's your thing and you're interested in that, feel free to follow that channel. And I'll put the URL on the screen so you guys can see it. And if you have a question or comment or something, feel free to leave it, and I'll answer any comments or questions that I see. And if I don't see it, feel free to put it up there again. There's the Twitch channel, by the way. All right. Every time I'm on, I see you, but we will play soon. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Make sure you send me a friend request. Do you know how to do Easter eggs? Yeah, I've seen it. It's not of interest to me, to be honest with you. Um, let's see here. Brian says, "My apologies." There's no reason to apologize. I don't you apologizing for. Don't apologize. I love you, man. Um, you, Boyce, you should list some books to read. Yeah, I have some books. If you go to drboycebooks.com, there's some books that that I wrote, books that other people have written. So feel free to go to drboycebooks.com. Doctor, I'm 61% in my supplement number 4 class. Do you want me to take a break? Just asking because that portion of the segment is locked. Um, if anything is ever locked and you're going through one of my classes, email support because I don't think anything is supposed to be locked. So the email address is support@theblackbusinessschool.com. So we have a really good support team that's right there to help you. There's always something for you to do. So do not think that you've ever learned all you can learn. There's always more you can learn. So keep going, man. Um, let's see. Mika Four says I've got some safe moon. I'm sorry. About 2 weeks ago, and I put in 174 and it's over $1,000 today. Wow, good for you. All right, I love it. What about the stocks SOS and DraftKings, Myra? I don't know about SOS. DraftKings, I own shares of DraftKings. It's a good company. Let me see. I was just reading the Napoleon Hill book. Interesting read. Yes, I agree. Well, Curtis? What do you think about binary options, HFX? I don't know what you mean by HFX. I'm sorry, I don't know what that is. I have to look it up. Kenya, I bought Black Labor White Wealth. Yeah, you should. Everybody should go to powernomics.com and buy Dr. Claude Anderson's books because he's very smart, and that's what it is. And also, we have a channel for those of you that like stock market stuff and gaming or want to learn more about it or maybe get into it. I have really had so much fun. I started playing Call of Duty because my sons, we play together now, and I play with my daughter, and I met some really cool brothers that I play with, and it's been a fun hobby. So I thought that gaming was only for like people that were teenagers or in their 20s, but that's not true. The guys I play with are all in their 40s, and so there's no such thing. I mean, immaturity is overrated. Maturity is overrated. Maturity is definitely overrated. So stop thinking that you're too old to do stuff. Just do whatever the hell you want, man. Let's see here. Voice, I added you. Check for my name, Zah Almighty. Okay, we should definitely play. I'm 22 years old. I want to bring value to the gaming part of your life. Okay, all right. Well, I'm gonna look for you. I'm gonna definitely look for you. Where else are you live at? Super Micah, I tend to go live on multiple platforms. I use something called StreamYard, which lets you go live on different platforms. And so rather than trying to do a million different videos on a million different places, I just go live in multiple places at once. And it's just kind of one of my little, I guess, one of my little magic tricks. It's good for content creation. Like if you create content, try to be efficient with it so it doesn't take all your time. Like everybody thinks it takes hours and hours to do videos or whatever. It doesn't. You could do it in a few minutes or do it in the course of your regular life. Like just find a way to integrate it into the things that you naturally do. That's how I stay productive. Like I give the impression, I guess, that I'm always working on stuff, but I'm not working. Like I'm playing video games, but I'm also content creating and I'm integrating that into my, what I do with stocks. Well, how is that? Well, because I noticed that a lot of the people who are playing video games are into the stock market now, because all the Reddit guys or whatever, a lot of the Redditors also play Call of Duty. So I was like, so I could actually talk about stocks while I play Call of Duty and I can kill two birds with one stone. So in your own life, like find your efficiencies, find the synergies, the things that link together, and you'll be amazed at how much you can get done by just being efficient with your time. And don't let anybody put boundaries on what you can do. Like, fuck those people. Like, that's your life. So there you go. That's my 2 cents. My words of wisdom. Fuck those people. All right, Negro naysayers. Bullets of knowledge. Okay. go. Get out of here. All right, let's try that again. Ooh.
Yeah, I'll take on all comers.
Nice. If only real life worked that way, right? Okay. All right, more questions. Let's take a second here. Do you still believe in Workhorse? I still own it. I haven't checked it lately. Let me check on Workhorse actually and see where Workhorse is. Workhorse is under a big lawsuit because a lot of investors are pissed because they feel like the executives lied to them about that deal that they had pending with the U.S. Postal Service. And when I look at it now, it was as high as 40. Now it's down to 12. And so, yeah, I think Workhorse is going to have some issues for a while. It's way down in the red. And I would be willing to say, let me check. I'm gonna look at the options here. If you're looking at Workhorse as an options play, like to sell the options, it might still be a good options play. So let me see. Let me look at Workhorse and see what that looks like. So if I wanted to trade options on this and sell options going out a month, what's today? The 19th. Go out to the 21st. Sell a call. It's not a bad options play. I mean, it's still a pretty decent options play. It's not a good play for capital gains, and when I say a good options play, I mean if you're selling options. I'm not talking about buying options and going long. You have to be real cautious about that with a company like this. But I'm looking at this now. Yeah, like if I bought Workhorse, I would buy it so I could sell the options. If you don't know a lot about options and you want to learn more, I have a masterclass on options at stockoptionsmasterclass.com. You feel free to take a look. Let me see. I'll put the URL up here if you want to take a look. It's up to you. Let me see. I cannot find it. Let's see here. Yeah, well, anyway, it's stockoptionsmasterclass.com. It's not on the screen. I can't find it. But yeah, so let me look at some more of your questions. There's the masterclass, by the way. All right, so hi, Dr. Boyce. Do you have a class on trademarking? I don't know why. I'm having a hard time navigating to trademark my brand. I think we covered trademarking in Black Money 103. So if you go to blackmoney103.com, Chris, that's where you can find it. That's our class on how to start a strong Black business. And if you don't see what you're looking for, just email support@theblackbusinessschool.com and we can add stuff in there. But attorney Nicole Compton is really good with that type of stuff, and she teaches in that program, so she can help you with that. All right, back to the zombies. Let's see what we got here. Are you guys able to hear me okay when I'm shooting and talking? I'm going to shoot and talk, so give me a yes or no if you can hear me, or just say I can hear you or something, so I know that that the game isn't drowning out my voice. Wow, look at that zombie up there. He was jumping across the roofs. All right.
Undead threat neutralized.
Are you guys able to hear me okay? while I'm shooting and talking? Okay, I'm gonna pause to make sure you guys. Okay, so I see yes. Okay, thank you. All right, great, excellent. You better pull out more than the pump. I know, right? Exactly. Um, Dr. Boyce, how long do you think you will be playing video games for the rest of your life? I don't know. I don't know. I'm gonna tell you, I have loved video games for a long time, and I kind of feel like there's no age limit on doing whatever the hell you want to do. That's just my 2 cents. For zombies, you need audio so you can hear the zombies coming at you. I agree. Um, let's see here. You muted your mic. I muted my mic. Can you guys hear me okay? In No, you guys can hear me on Twitch, right? Okay. Let me know if you're on Twitch if you can hear me because I haven't seen you guys commenting on Twitch. All right. So anyway, let me get in here. Figure this out. What is this? Oh, that's a armor. Okay. All right. Let's get some ammo. Oof.
Enemy down by C4. It's right in the brick. Better than me. Keep on coming. I got bullets.
Hmm. That's pretty gross. All right. I will grab another question. Thank you. I wish you know what, Insomniac. I think I'm okay. I wish I was better. I'm not that great. I'm getting better though. Miss Jennifer, I'm new to investing. I'm using Robinhood currently. What is a good place to start? Also, what stocks would you recommend? Let me tell you this. I am not a big fan of starting on Robinhood like I used to be. You know that the friend to the platform, Ice Cube, is actually, I don't know if y'all know, he's in a lawsuit with Robinhood, and he has some pretty harsh words to about Robinhood. And I agree completely. Maybe not, but one of the things about Robinhood is that they do a lot of things that I don't like. Like for example, they don't allow you to leave a death beneficiary on your account, which most investment companies do that, and that's something that kind of irks me a little bit because if you die, then how easy is it going to be for somebody to go to Robinhood and get your money? So that's the one area. And I have a trust, and I wanted to just put some of my Robinhood assets in the name of my trust, and apparently I don't. It's not straightforward to do that. And also, if you try to move your money from one brokerage account to another, Robinhood makes it unnecessarily difficult to do that. So some would argue that this kind of says Robinhood is not exactly competing directly with the big boys in the sense of being a full service kind of platform that does all the things that a lot of these other apps are able to do. So that's one limitation I would throw out there. Got this C4. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Woo. That was close.
Raptor 1 is in range for extraction. Your call.
Okay. There we go. Need that. All right. We got enough ammo. Gotta run up here.
Bloody hell!
Oh crap.
I'm down.
No. Crap. Oh crap. Oh shit. Run, 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 run. Come on, boys. You can do it. Oh shit. They're all over here.
You're not getting this yet?
Come on, asshole. Well,
With that kind of camouflage, more of those creatures could be hiding in plain sight.
that was stressful. God. Oh.
Exfil window gone. Stay alive till the next one.
Great. Thanks.
Cruise missile ready for launch.
I might need that. Oof. Gotta get out of there.
It's about time you showed up. Wait, you're not Omega. Requiem? Can't say I'm surprised. But I know why you're here, but I'm not gonna just hand her over. You turn the power on. I'll consider that fair payment for one agent access.
Okay, let's take a break from zombies. I'll answer some of your questions. All right. I sold all my shares of Tilray and Workhorse when it dipped. Yeah, I don't sell when it dips. I tend to buy more when stuff dips. I heard you bought some Dogecoin. Yeah, I bought some Dogecoin today. I did a survey and asked you guys on Twitter, would you like to see me buy some just to see what would happen and tell you what I see? And 76% of you said yes. So I said okay. So I bought 5,000 Dogecoins. So far, it's making money, but you know, I don't expect it to make money forever. What trading platform do you recommend? I like things like E-Trade, Ameritrade, Fidelity. Um, Stash Acorns and Robinhood are okay, but there's a lot of questions that people are having about Robinhood right now. Can rent be a tax write-off if you run a home-based business? Yes, it can, but I encourage you to talk to a tax professional so they can help you. Let's see. You should play Fortnite. I heard about Fortnite and I want to play. You know what's happened? I basically get to the point where
You better have Maxis ready for transport.
I want to be whatever I do. I like to be reasonably competent at it, and I don't know if I have the time to become really good at multiple games. And so for me it's like I want to figure this one out first. And with Call of Duty there's like a whole world, involved with it where you're playing with all these people from around the world and they're all better than you. So it'll take me a while to get good with that one game, but the other games are really awesome. And if I was really a full-time gamer, I would play them all. But unfortunately, I don't have enough time to play video games all day. But I do enjoy like what I'm doing now. Shit, I was trying to pick up that grenade. Thank God. Okay, come over here. Come over here.
Trying to get yourself killed. Knock it down. Y'all shit out of luck.
Oof. Okay. Okay. More questions. Good fart. You should try battle. Okay. Why won't they just go the other way and catch you? Because they're stupid and they're zombies. I guess zombies aren't that smart. Um, Research shows lasers ammo shooting is better for the betterment of the mind. Cut down on. Okay. All right. Do you have a PS4? No, I do not. I'm gonna get a PS5 at some point. I only put $100 in Robinhood so I could buy some Dogecoin. Okay, good for you. Let me know how it goes. GameStop's corporation's chief executive George Sherman will step down. What are your thoughts? Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna talk about GameStop for a minute. Um, do I play Madden? No, I do not play Madden. It seems to take too long to learn it. Um, okay, so yeah, and by the way, Super Micah, if you want to invest in Dogecoin, you can do it on Robinhood. I think Cash App might offer it. I don't know if they do or not. I know Coinbase does not. So with Robinhood, not Robin, I'm sorry. GameStop. The thing about GameStop is that GameStop is not an inherently valuable company relative to the price that it's trading at. Like the price of GameStop. Oh shit! God damn it! Oh, see that's what happens when I try to do two things at once. I fuck up and then I end up mad because I. Okay, where's my dead body? Oh, there it is. Hold on. They got this thing called Tombstone where you can like go resurrect your dead body. But I gotta hurry up or he's gonna die. Whoa, holy crap. Okay, now I gotta go for it. Well, that was terrible. Well, that was stupid. Oh, I'm mad now. All right, so I'll answer your questions. I gotta bounce out of here. Cash App does not offer Dogecoin. It's only Bitcoins and other you. Okay, all right, yeah. Okay, so Cash App doesn't offer it. I know Robinhood does. So that may be something you may want to look at. Don't take Dogecoin seriously though. It'll cause you problems if you put too much of your money in there. Um, let's see. Do you think Apple can continue to be innovative? Yes. And will they enter the crypto space? Yeah, probably on some level. Apple just tends to have really smart people that know how to make money, and that's never going to change, not anytime soon. Can you tell us about ETFs? Yes, ETFs are exchange traded funds, and ETFs are basically like mutual funds, except they're not quite the same. They basically allow you to invest in a lot of different assets at one time, and so you get instant diversification. Did I miss all the Dogecoin talk? No, you didn't. Two misters and a sister. The Dogecoin investment I made was for fun and to be stupid. It was not a serious investment. So I did buy 5,000 Dogecoins, but who knows? Maybe it's going to pop up to $38 and then I'll be so rich that I'll be cussing out all the people I hate tomorrow. All right, so I gotta go. Have a good day, everybody, and it was fun. And by the way, we meet every Tuesday for stock market class, stock market investing class for real, for real. So if you want to join us, you can actually go to the blackstockmarketprogram.com, and we the first month is free, and we meet every Tuesday. And in this class, you can not only just there's not just a ton of curriculum. My PhD's in finance, in case you didn't know that. But you also have the ability to send me your questions, and I will answer all your stock market questions every week. And every Tuesday we meet for class. And I'm doing another special lecture on Thursday on financial decision making and how to even know which option works best. Like, so for example, if you have an insurance policy that's going to pay you $1,000 a year for the next 10 years and somebody offers to buy it, how do you know how much is a good offer, right? So basically financial decision making is what we're going to talk about on Thursday in the special lecture Thursday night at 8 p.m. So anyway, I hope you guys have a good night. It was real. And there's a URL, theblackstockmarketprogram.com. And if you're into gaming, you guys know that's been my new little hobby. And I'm taking you on my journey as I'm learning how to do this. Here's how you can follow me on Xbox. Bo Watkin. It's right there, Bo Watkin on Xbox. And also, if you want to friend me on Activision, there's my Activision ID. So just rewind that video if you watch it on YouTube or anywhere else, and you can actually, friend me on Activision. Everybody friend me. Everybody connect with me because we're gonna have gaming tournaments where I'm gonna just invite all the black people I know, and we're gonna play Call of Duty and have a lot of fun. And I just want to have fun in this life with you. So bless you.